Understanding the in-goal area in sports, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of a specific phrase used in sports, the in-goal area. This term might be new to many of you, especially if you're not familiar with certain sports, but don't worry. We'll break it down together. The in-goal area refers to a specific zone on a playing field in sports like rugby and football, soccer. It's an essential part of the field where crucial gameplay occurs. Understanding its role and location is key for anyone trying to grasp the rules of these sports. In rugby, for example, the in-goal area is where players score points by grounding the ball. This area's size and position can significantly influence the game's strategy and outcome. In football, while the term is less commonly used, it similarly refers to a critical scoring zone. To better understand the in-goal area, it's helpful to compare it with similar concepts in other sports. For instance, in American football, the closest equivalent is the end zone. Recognizing these parallels can enhance your understanding of sports terminology in English. And that's a wrap on the in-goal area. We hope this video has shed light on this sports term and added a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning English through different contexts, like sports, can be both fun and educational. See you in our next video.